Welcome to my channel, guys. For today's lunch, we have steak. Here, steak. Here. Oh. Here. Yep. This is all steak. And then, meron din ako chicken feet. Adobo sa gata. Chicken feet. Masarap, guys.
Welcome to your cabin, your home until we make landfall. Over the next 4 months, you'll prepare for your new life on Homestead 2. Meet your fellow passengers.
Nagtataka kayo kung bakit wala akong rice. Hindi talaga ako kumakain ng rice. Puro ulam lang, guys.
The passengers for engineering and technical trade skills. Please scan your ID to confirm luggage delivery.
Bihira-bihira. Kakain man ako ng rice.
To help you recover from hibernation, be sure to drink plenty of fluids.
Almost well done yung pagkaluto
Enjoy
ko.
the rest of your voyage on
Kasi manipis lang.
a Homestead Company Starship.
Good morning, one and all. This is beautiful morning on the Starship Arrow. Where you can still get Homestead and Homestead. Let's run the top one like Mayor back on Earth.
Itong chicken feet, guys, binili ko lang to sa Great Wall Asian Supermarket. 1 pound, $1.69. So, binilang ko 13 pieces. Ang sarap.
Hello, passengers. Will you all please take a seat? Welcome, Learning Group 38, your introduction to colonial life. Earth is a prosperous planet, the cradle of civilization. But for many, it's also overpopulated, overpriced, overrated.
I'm sorry. I think I may be in
Hold
the
all
wrong.
questions till the end, please. The colonies offer an alternative, a better way of
There
life.
are all the
And
other.
there's no colony more beautiful
Tapos,
than Homestead 2.
doon sa Great Wall Supermarket,
Where is everybody?
Asian store siya. Maraming mga fresh na isda doon, tsaka seafoods.
Passengers and 258.
Kaya nito, nakakuha ko ng mga chicken feet.
We're all in this together.
Hello? Anybody there? Hello?
Magandang pumunta doon kasi parang nasa Pinas ka lang. Marami din mga fruits na makikita mo na sa Pinas lang.
Please buckle up and secure all these items. This elevator will experience
Mm-hmm.
gravity.
Pero yung steak, kinuha namin, binili namin to sa Costco.
Grand concourse.
Okay guys, bye for now. Ubusin ko lang tong food ko. Thank you for watching to my mini vlog. This is my lunch for today. And lunch, brunch, breakfast, and maybe dinner. Maybe once a day. I eat once a day today. Because super dami to guys. Baka hindi pa ako gutumin hanggang mamayang gabi.